Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the login to server with username failed error in Thunderbird. This is a common authentication issue that can prevent you from sending or receiving emails, but fortunately, it's quite straightforward to resolve. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your Thunderbird application. Once it loads, you'll need to identify which email account is experiencing the login problem. This is usually indicated by error messages or a failure to sync new messages. Take a moment to locate that specific account in your account list on the left sidebar. Once you've found the problematic account, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open the Account Settings panel where you can adjust various configurations related to how Thunderbird connects to your email server. In the Settings panel, look on the left side for an option labeled Outgoing Server. Click on it to expand the outgoing server settings. This section controls how Thunderbird sends emails from your account. Here you'll see a button that says Edit Outgoing Server. Go ahead and click it to open the detailed configuration window. Now you'll see several fields and options. Focus on the one labeled Connection Security. Beside it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and change the setting to SSL/TSL. This ensures that your connection to the server is encrypted and secure, which is often required by email providers for authentication to work properly. Next, look for the field labeled Authentication Method. Just beside it, click the drop-down menu. From the available options, select OAuth 2. OAuth 2 is a more modern and secure authentication protocol that many email providers now require. After making this selection, click OK to save your changes. Give Thunderbird a moment to process these settings. Now, on the left side of the Settings panel, click on Server Settings. This section controls how Thunderbird receives emails from your account. You'll notice similar options here to what you just configured for the outgoing server. Again, locate the Connection Security field. Beside it, click the drop-down menu and change the setting to SSL/TSL, just like you did for the outgoing server. This ensures both incoming and outgoing connections are properly secured. Then find the Authentication Method field. Beside it, click the drop-down menu and select OAuth 2. This aligns your incoming server authentication with the same secure protocol you set for outgoing mail, creating consistency across your account settings. And that's it. You've successfully updated both your outgoing and incoming server settings to use secure connections and modern authentication. Thunderbird should now be able to connect to your email server without the username failed error. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.